welcome to all dignitaries, all delegates that are joining us today, where great minds meet.
From our perspective, from a business perspective, the circular economy has the potential to transform the economics of water and sanitation provision from unaffordable public costs into sustainable business opportunity.
Are you ready to take on the challenge?
There's an open opportunity for anyone.
We have to foster education and training. The Young Engineers program, I would say, is one of the best examples, and again, something that I'm fortunate to be a part of.
If a country can do it, it is this country.
Hence, WRC has a very mammoth task to assist, to change, and reflect on what we need to have in order to innovate with every drop.
I think we need to support the WRC in terms of innovation that they are doing to make sure that they commercialize whatever they've invented. It's very, very important.
Count us in, we'll support you.
So let's make this symposium count.
It is a session that brings together the Chinese government, as well as the South African and African delegates.
I talked about the decision support model that we developed in Sweden, actually, to look at different water supply strategies and measures, and how you can evaluate and compare different measures with regards to sustainability.
We were able to compile a technical brief, which is going to function as a standard operating procedure field guide.
We need to start thinking about, can this tool be used to assess status at schools?
Are we creating products that can actually help us?
Well, got names and connections to people who I really would like to get in contact with regarding testing of technology and how to develop better school systems.
And I think it's important. We may look different as countries and when it comes to water scarcity, but we have a lot of common challenges. And we all need to look at solutions and way to cope with it. So it's been very fruitful.
What's encouraging was the drive between the efforts from, be it India, which has done quite significant work, and how we can learn from India and South Africa to actually get the ball rolling. And I think WRC has been playing quite a significant role.
We've been working with a number of business partners globally, supporting entrepreneurship for sanitation globally, and we're really interested in the opportunities here in South Africa.
So this huge economic potential from sanitation can be materialized if two actors from different angles are or can collaborate. These are innovators or researchers on one side and the business people on another side.
We're the inventors of the world's first 100% waterless toilet that incinerates waste. It's called the Andy Loo. Now the toilet simply was made so that it destroys all the waste immediately on site, so that we can take the pressure off any infrastructural costs for specifically government, and we can be able to service our people with the same pedigree that a waterborne toilet would service our people.
It's a 3-liter flush toilet system fitted with a hand wash basin, allowing the user to be more water-wise. I'm gonna throw in. So again, I'm just gonna press the button again. There you have it, they're all gone without water.
Welcome to the KnowledgeTree Awards Gala Dinner. Please, a huge round of applause for all the men and women who are going to be honored here tonight.
I did not know that when people are standing here, they have this beautiful view of everyone who's in the room.
We spent the entire time with these young minds in here building solutions that addresses the water and sanitation issues in South Africa, which was exciting.
And the winners of the 2019 hackathon goes to Team Snitchers.
Our plan for the future is to further develop the idea so it can become usable in
probably in the next year or so.
This country has a historical, it has a current, and it has a future responsibility to be one of the vanguards of African development.